See, I read about ESDS a lot and I spoke to a lot of people in this particular line. As you know, we got into this e-learning business and we wanted somebody to give us some good service. Now all this while everybody is talking about servers only outside India, but then I realized I met Mr. Piyush Somani somewhere in a function, and then I realized, then I was speaking to him about ESDS, then I realized he was the owner of ESDS. Then I said, fantastic. I said, I asked Mr. Somani, like, this is what we are doing in the e-learning business. We were just having a casual talk about what we each of us doing. Very strangely, it so happened that we were in a commonly related business, that is e-learning and internet and everything. And then he said, so he could provide us all the solution. I said, yes, we have learned about ESDS, we have read about ESDS, and he said, no problem, we can find a solution for you. And I said, that's fantastic. And most important thing I liked about ESDS is that, don't forget, ESDS is as good as any international company. And that is why I said I opted for ESDS rather than going for a server outside India. We have an Indian company which is doing an excellent job providing facilities for internet and connections and all kinds of services. So I said, yes, I will go with ESDS. Definitely yes, don't forget we are going to come on a cricket coaching online, which is cricket is our subject, now cricketstrokes.com. And cricketstrokes.com, we're going to have the mother server, the main server is also ESDS, the backup server is also ESDS, and on everything streaming and everything is going to be ESDS. Similarly, we are coming with a product called edustrokes.com, which is teaching science and maths through the medium of sports. And again, we are going to use only ESDS servers for our main server as well as backup server. So for the entire cricketstrokes.com, which is cricket coaching online, and edustrokes.com, which is going to be teaching science and maths online, it's going to be ESDS server all the way through, and everything is going to be ESDS facility. I think excellent. One advantage we have is the people are very nice. I think the technical people cooperated very well with our technical people. They've understood what we are looking for, and the time taken was quick like that. It's like probably a 20-20 batting, just like my batting in those days, I guess. And it was like a 20-20 finish there. And it was not like a test match finish where they were struggling and finding out. It was a 20-20 match and the time taken was very, very minimal, and we are really up and going. I think it's one of the best in the world, ESDS. I tell you why. The reason being, first, it is within India. So if there's any problem, they're able to attend it immediately. Whereas when you want to go, this is called the disaster recovery or problem solution, whatever you call it in the technical terms. The disaster recovery is fantastic because it just takes one phone call, immediately they're able to do it. Whereas when you go to an international data service provider, they will say you leave the, what you call, you have to send a mail, it will happen later, they will say we are attending to it. And we also have other things where we also have other internet sites like krishcricket.com, our cricket gaming website, and we have sometimes problems in terms of time taken to sort out issues, whereas here, one phone call, everything is done. No, I think we're very happy with everything. I mean, in the sense that I don't want to go too much technical into it. Unfortunately, I'm not a technical person. So all my technical heads and our vice presidents and our technical people are all very much satisfied with ESDS. They are saying it's fantastic, sir. So over a period of time, whatever online business we try to start, we'll probably be transferring everything to ESDS. I'm very happy, and I'd like to wish all the ESDS users all the very best, and I'm sure you're doing the right thing. And I'd like to wish my good friend Piyush Somani all the very best on all his new ventures. And I hope this is a solid partnership between Piyush Somani and Krish Srikanth, that is ESDS, and our what do you call Edustrokes and Cricket Strokes. And this is just a beginning. We're hoping to do a lot of good things in the future. I'd like to wish all the users of ESDS all the very best. I can tell you one thing, it is one of the best servers and one of the best facilities you have. And I can definitely vouch for ESDS, and I'm very happy about it. And I'd like to wish Piyush Somani, my good friend, all the very best in his new ventures. This is a small partnership between Piyush Somani and Krish Srikanth. That means ESDS and our online businesses like cricketstrokes.com and edustrokes.com. And I'm sure there will be a lot more joint ventures which we'll be doing. New products will be created because online is an evolving business. So I'd like to wish everybody all the best. All the best to ESDS.